Hello, everyone, and a massive welcome back. This is it, episode 1 of season 2 of our Idioms Explained podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm thrilled to kick off this new season with you all on Learn English by English.
And I'm Alex. Season 2 is here, Emily. After a great first season exploring 20 essential idioms, we're back, refreshed, and ready for more. And we have some exciting new developments.
We certainly do. But first, let's dive into our first idiom of the new season, a very fitting one, to turn over a new leaf.
To turn over a new leaf. Perfect for a season premiere. It means to start behaving better, to make a fresh start, or to change your ways for the better.
Exactly. Like someone disorganized becoming punctual. It's a conscious decision to improve. The origin is literal, Alex. It refers to turning the page of a book to a new, clean leaf, an old term for a page. So you turn over a new leaf in life to start a new chapter.
A lovely origin. So, after failing his exams, John decided to turn over a new leaf and study hard. It implies a commitment to positive change.
Precisely. You hear it with New Year's resolutions, too. It signifies a deliberate effort to reform. And speaking of turning over a new leaf, Alex, our podcast is doing just that.
It absolutely is, which brings me to our exciting new interactive segment, What's Alex's Idiom?
Ooh, tell us more, Alex.
Well, we covered 20 idioms in Season 1. So in What's Alex's Idiom, at the end of most Season 2 episodes, I'll describe a situation hinting at one of those 20 idioms. I won't name it, of course.
A challenge for our listeners.
Exactly. Your job, listeners, is to guess the idiom from Season 1 and write your answer in the comments. We'll reveal the correct answer in the following episode. It's a fun way to test your knowledge.
Brilliant, Alex. It encourages active listening and makes Season 1 even more valuable. So, listeners, now's a great time to revisit Season 1 to get ready for What's Alex's Idiom?
You bet. And don't worry, our next episode with the answer to today's challenge will be out very soon. We've already prepared new episodes.
Fantastic! So, are you ready to give us our first What's Alex's Idiom challenge?
I am indeed. Stay tuned. But first, to recap today's main idiom. To turn over a new leaf means to make a fresh start and begin to act in a better or more responsible way.
Perfect.
And now for our very first What's Alex's Idiom challenge. Listen carefully. My friend was so nervous before his big job interview. He was really well prepared, but just as he was about to go into the room, he suddenly felt too scared to do it and almost walked away. Which idiom from Season 1 best describes how my friend was feeling?
Ooh, that's a good one. Listeners, what do you think? Which idiom from Season 1 describes that sudden fear? Write your guesses in the comments below. We're so excited to see your answers.
We really are. And that brings us to the end of our Season 2 premiere.
Please make sure you're subscribed to Learn English by English and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode of Season 2, including the answers to What's Alex's Idiom?
And if you're enjoying our content, please share our channel. We put a lot of heart into these lessons, and your support means the world.
Thanks so much for joining us for the start of Season 2. We'll be back very soon. Until then, keep learning.
Take care, everyone, and happy guessing!